In the previous two sessions, we looked at reflection and scaling transformation of equations. Now let's look at a reciprocal transformation of equations. Let's say we have this polynomial equation. Let alpha 1 to alpha n be the roots. And we want to find an equation whose roots are the reciprocals of the roots of this equation. Let's say beta sub I is equal to 1 by alpha sub I. And beta sub I is the roots of the transformed equation. Now here we assume that alpha sub I is not equal to 0. That means none of the roots of this equation is 0. Because then we will end up with division by 0. Now, which implies alpha sub I is equal to 1 by beta sub I. So again, as usual, we replace x with 1 by x. A sub 0 plus a sub 1 times 1 by x plus a sub 2 times 1 by x square and so on up to a sub n times 1 by x to the power of n equal to 0. Now again, we need to get rid of the denominators. So multiplying throughout by x to the power of n, we get this statement or this polynomial on the left hand side. Simplifying it, we get a sub 0 times x to the power of n plus a sub 1 x to the power of n minus 1 and so on up to a sub n equal to 0. And this is the transformed equation. Now let's see with an example. Let's say we have 6x cubed plus x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. And the roots are minus 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Now we want to transform this equation into an equation whose roots are the reciprocals of these roots. That is minus 1, 2 and 3. Substituting x with 1 by x, we get x times 1 by x cube plus 1 by x square minus 4 times 1 by x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we start simplifying it. Multiplying by x cube, we get 6 times 1 by x cube times x cube and so on equal to 0. Now simplifying, x cube gets cancelled, x square and x cube gets cancelled so that in the numerator we have only x square and so on. Simplifying this, we get 6 plus x minus 4x square plus x cube equal to 0. Or writing in the usual form that we write the equations, x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6 equal to 0. And the roots of this are minus 1, 2 and 3. Now observe that minus 1 is a reciprocal of minus 1, 2 is a reciprocal of 1 by 2, 3 is a reciprocal of 1 by 3. Now let's look at the graph. This is the graph of the original polynomial 6x cubed plus x square minus 4x plus 1. And its roots are minus 1, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Now let's draw the graph of the transformed equation. We get the roots as minus 1, 2 and 3. This is very important. Unlike the other transformations, the reciprocal transformation preserves the reciprocal relationship only between the roots. No such relationship exists between the remaining points on the graphs. So it's not that the entire curve of the polynomial expansion maintains that reciprocal relationship, only the roots. So that was a reciprocal transformation of equations. That's it for now. Bye.